In this video, we're going to explore some of the credit card features in the credit card batch screen. We reach this screen by clicking on Manager Home, and then Cash, and then Credit Cards. From the top of the screen, we have this Credit Transaction button. This is an optional feature that you can turn on in the credit card configuration area. If you use it, and if you have proper security, you have the option to run a credit card sale or a credit from here without having an associated ticket. Down below, we see our batches. Our unsettled or open batch is listed at the top. If I click on it, I can see my totals for the day for each tender type, as well as the individual tickets. They should be in a state of pre-auth, which means we've received an authorization, but we haven't completed the sale yet. We also have some tickets that are void. If you see any that say not authorized in this column, you'll want to press the authorized charges to complete the authorization on these tickets. You can sort this screen by any of the column headings. We also have the tip amount here. While it is possible to add a tip amount on this screen, we recommend that you do so in the POS. Entering it through the order screen, the driver close, or the server close process will ensure that the tips that are paid out to your drivers and servers are recorded properly for cash management purposes. From here, you can reprint a credit slip for any particular authorization, and you can complete your daily close. Let's try that now. The daily close will check for open transactions. Here we've found some deliveries that are still open. I haven't closed my drivers yet. We must actually do the driver close shift before we can close our credit card batch for the day. Or if I select hold, then the batch will close, leaving these orders as still pending. In most cases, you'd want to press cancel and actually close your drivers first. Okay, now I've closed my drivers and I'm going to come back to the batch screen. As you can see, we've entered some tips during the driver close process, which are reflected here. Now I'm ready to settle this batch by pressing the daily close button. Now the system is warning me that there may be some duplicate transactions. It's found the same card number was used for the same or similar amounts on different ticket numbers. I can compare these transactions and ensure that they are legitimate charges. If they're not, I can check the box to void one of the transactions before sending the batch. In this case, I'll go ahead and send all of these transactions. Once the settle process is finished, you'll be returned to this screen. You can see your settled batch by clicking on the settled button. And that's how you complete your credit card batch in the FireFly system.